Mastering time with adverbs. Make every second count. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to discuss a critical aspect of English grammar that can completely change the meaning of a sentence: adverbs of time. These words play a vital role in telling us when an action happens, giving a better understanding of the entire scenario. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the world of time-related adverbs. Firstly, let's clear the air about what adverbs of time are. Simply put, these are words that provide us with information about the time an action took place. They answer the question, when? Words like yesterday, tomorrow, now, earlier, soon, and phrases like in the morning or next week fall under this category. For example, consider the sentence, she will leave tomorrow. Here, tomorrow is an adverb of time, telling us when the action, leaving, will take place. Adverbs of time are crucial to understanding the context of a sentence. They add a layer of depth by providing the exact or approximate timing of the action. Without these adverbs, the sentences can be vague and incomplete, leaving the reader or listener guessing the time frame of the event. For instance, I will call you versus I will call you later. The latter sentence, with the adverb of time, is more precise, isn't it? While using adverbs of time, we need to remember they generally come at the beginning or end of a sentence. However, this is not a hard and fast rule, and placement can vary based on what the speaker wants to emphasize. For example, we will soon be arriving at our destination, versus soon, we will be arriving at our destination. Both are correct, but the emphasis shifts with the placement of soon. Now that we have learned about adverbs of time, it's time to put our knowledge into practice. Always remember, the best way to learn is to practice. Try making sentences using different adverbs of time, pay attention to their placement, and experiment with what sounds most natural to you. That brings us to the end of our lesson on adverbs of time. Remember, these are your tools to express precise timing and make your sentences much more informative and engaging. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll master the art of using adverbs of time efficiently. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.